Okay, wanted to address the issue with the pipeline that we discussed a few days ago. Apparently I've not been able to reproduce the issue anywhere except for me, so I'll let you know what I have. I have running Windows 10 Pro. I am on a Lenovo laptop T440S. Here's the credentials as far as the memory, and it is a touchscreen. I'm on the Delta server 9667 version. I am going to go to Pipeline Manager. I'm going to load the engineering pipeline. Once I load the engineering pipeline, since these are fairly short projects and condensed, I'm going to make it a little bit wider view. For some reason it pops out here way to the left or right, so I'm not sure why, but then I'll move it back here where I can see things, and now I'm going to be in the process of moving some things around. Even with a touchscreen I can move things, but there is a little bit of a delay, more of a delay. Now when I move things, the view pops back out here to the right, so I'll move it. Okay, oh, that didn't make sense to me. Now I'm moving over here. I got to remember where I was, and then I want to move this one down as an example. Move that one down. Boop, pops back out to the right. I want to take maybe a couple of these, move them up. So the speed is much improved since we got rid of that one project that was causing us issues. But this popping back way out to the right hand side is quite a nuisance, and apparently I'm the only one that has this problem right now, at least on this laptop, and I know Sabu was experiencing the same things on his laptop. I think is the same as mine, a Lenovo T44S touchscreen. But it is Windows Pro, and that's the version of Concerto we're running. I think the same issue occurs on the new version if I go to the Delta server. I think someone has loaded with the new version. So, thanks, bye.